In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize stickers in Canva. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva in your browser or app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main dashboard, look towards the top right corner for the button that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll choose the exact size and shape of your sticker, so you're starting with the right canvas from the beginning. When the menu opens, instead of picking one of Canva's preset sizes, look for the option that says Custom Size. Click on Custom Size so you can type in your own dimensions. This is really helpful for stickers because you often want them to be a specific, consistent size, especially if you're planning to print them or sell them later. Next, you'll see boxes for width and height, along with a drop-down where you can choose the unit of measurement. By default, Canva might show pixels, but for stickers, inches make things much easier. Click that drop-down and change the units to in for inches. Using inches means you can match common sticker sizes and printer settings more accurately. Now set both the width and the height to 3. Type 3 for the width and 3 for the height. This will create a 3" by 3" square canvas, which is a very popular size for stickers. If you ever want a different shape later, like a rectangle, you can just change one of those numbers, but for now we'll keep it a perfect square so it's easy to follow along. Once you've entered the size, click on the button that says Create New Design. Canva will open a blank 3 by 3" design in a new tab or window. This blank space is your sticker template, and everything you put here will be what eventually prints as your sticker. With your blank design open, look at the left-hand panel and click on Elements. This is where you'll find graphics, shapes, lines, icons, and more. You can search for anything you like using the search bar, such as flowers, stars, cute icons, or bold shapes, depending on the style of sticker you want. From here, start adding the designs you want and begin customizing your stickers. Drag elements onto the canvas, resize them by pulling on the corners, change colors using the color picker at the top, and add text if you'd like a quote or a label. You can layer multiple elements together, adjust transparency for softer looks, and duplicate designs to explore variations. Take your time experimenting until your 3 by 3 space looks exactly how you want your sticker to appear. Once you're happy with it, you're ready to download and print or share your custom Canva sticker design.